For newer Honda CR-V models from 2022 to 2025, you'll be working with the Honda Connect system, featuring a large 12-inch touchscreen interface. The primary method involves using the settings menu. This process has several clear steps that ensure complete phone removal. Start by accessing the settings menu from your home screen. Navigate to Phone or Bluetooth settings, then select Device Management to view all paired devices. From the Paired Devices list, identify and select the phone you want to remove. Then choose Delete or Unpair and confirm your choice when the system prompts you. Alternatively, you can use voice commands for a quicker deletion process. Press the voice command button on your steering wheel, then say Delete Phone followed by the device name. Confirm with Yes when the system asks for verification. It's crucial to understand that newer Honda systems have deeper smartphone integration than older models. These systems store phone data across multiple components, including the Bluetooth registry, contact database, call history, and media preferences. Make sure the deletion process completes fully to ensure all personal data is removed from your vehicle. Always allow at least 30 seconds for the system to complete the deletion process across all components. For older Honda CR-V models from 2017 to 2021, the phone deletion process is more straightforward due to the simpler system architecture. First, locate the phone button on your dashboard. In older CR-V models, this is typically a physical button clearly labeled with a phone icon. Press the phone button to access the phone menu system. This will bring up the main phone interface on your display. From the phone menu, select Setup or Settings, then choose Bluetooth Setup. This sequence takes you to the Device Management area. Navigate to Paired Devices, where you'll see a list of all connected phones. Use the scroll wheel to highlight the specific device you want to delete. Press Enter or Select on the highlighted device, then choose Delete Device from the menu. Confirm your choice by selecting Yes. The system will display a device deleted confirmation message. Older Honda CR-V models have a simpler architecture with single Bluetooth registry and local storage, making deletion straightforward compared to newer models that have complex cloud integration and multiple data locations. The deletion process is now complete. Your phone has been successfully removed from all system locations in your older Honda CR-V model.